bee and baby bee, buzzing through the air, flying flower to flower, spreading pollen everywhere. We're making honey, sweet and gold, collecting nectar, bright and bold. Buzz, buzz, here we go, helping flowers bloom and grow, working hard as bees can be, making honey joyfully. Baby bee looks down below. What's that place? Oh, can we go? Supermarket big and bright. Let's have a look just for tonight. Inside they see a wondrous sight. Rows of apples, red and bright. Pears and plums, bananas too. Baby bee says, Mama, is this all from you? Buzz, buzz, here we go, helping flowers bloom and grow, working hard as bees can be, making honey joyfully. Mama smiles and says it's true, we pollinate for all this fruit for you. Without our work these wouldn't grow. Bees help the world more than you. Baby bee buzzes with pride. We work so hard, far and wide. Mama says let's share our cheer. Bees are friends to all we're near. Buzz, buzz, now you know. Bees help plants and fruits to grow. With every flower that we see, Mama bee and baby bee buzzing through the air, flying flower to flower, spreading pollen everywhere. We're making honey,